What's up guys? So I've been focusing a lot on maintenance mods, but I finally decided to do a cosmetic mod to the E30. And the first one I want to do is actually replace the shift knob. This original one is pretty worn out and actually it just flops off. It's really loose. Not really ideal for shifting. When you're driving aggressively, you can easily pop this off. So instead of just gluing it on, I wanted to get a brand new shifter. I really wanted the classic look of a wooden shifter, and Ireland Engineering actually has a really nice piece. So this is their mahogany wooden round mushroom style shifter. It easily just slips on to the stock lever, and it also has a set screw which will allow you to tighten the knob onto the lever. The only thing is that you do have like a little bit of a gap here, but we can fill that in easily. The other main thing is that the original knob did have a little bit of weight to it, whereas this one is really light. But I don't think that's going to be too much of a big deal. I also do like the height of this. It's really easy to palm and it's comfortable. First, we're going to remove the shift boot. This part basically just snaps right off. Not too much difficulty here. Next, to close that gap between the shift boot and the shift knob, I found these plastic washers along with this top little rubber washer to basically just close the gap and raise the top of where the shift boot sits on the shift lever. This kind of like method just worked perfectly, so if you have like anything like some type of washer laying around, you can use that to kind of adjust your shift boot accordingly. When placing the shift knob onto the lever, I made sure the set screw was facing forward, so that way I wouldn't be able to see it from my driving position. Once the set screw is tightened, the knob feels really secure on the shift lever. This is a definite improvement over the old shift knob, and it feels really comfortable as I rode through the gears. The final step is to place the emblem onto the shift knob. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the quality of the emblem. It was actually made out of metal and not some cheap plastic. And Ireland Engineering offers a few different patterns you can choose from. I chose this classic BMW motorsport pattern. And to secure it, we're just going to use a little dab of super glue. I put a little bit in the center of the shift knob, but don't forget to put a little bit around the edges to make sure that the emblem has good contact with the glue. And then once you put the emblem on, you can wiggle it around a little bit before the glue settles. And then don't worry about getting it perfectly straight, because once the glue dries, you can always loosen the set screw and make some minor adjustments that way to get the orientation correct. Here's some photos of the finished product. Now, I know that there are a lot of shift knob choices out there on the market. You can go with a BMW OEM ZHP shift knob. Condor also has a lot of choices, but I wanted to go with a classic wooden look, and there aren't too many new products out there with a wooden style shifter, so I'm glad that Ireland Engineering continues to offer one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Vic's Vehicles, and follow along as I continue to rebuild this E30 and also for a lot more car content.